Hi everyone, this is Targazit Chaudhary on behalf of La Mantra, presenting the legal headlines of the day. The legal headlines of the day are: Madhya Pradesh High Court allows visually challenged woman to pursue her dream to become judicial officer. The Madhya Pradesh High Court on Wednesday asked the High Court authorities to give reservation to a visually challenged candidate and directed it to conduct a special written examination by providing the facility of scribe and also extra time. Center and Supreme Court lock horns over judicial appointment in open court, with the rift between the Center and the Supreme Court widening. The two recently had a face-off in open court over the delay in appointment of judges. Allahabad High Court challenges its own judgment on High Court superintendents over family courts. Supreme Court issues notice. The Supreme Court on Friday issued notice on an appeal filed by the Allahabad High Court against its own judgment placing family court under the superintendence of the High Court. The notice was issued by a bench of comprising Justice Ranjan Gogoi and Justice R. Bhanumati on a petition challenging the judgment passed in July last year. Supreme Court Bar Association General Body meeting to discuss the resolution condemning non-elevation of Justice K. M. Joseph called off. The Supreme Court Bar Association Executive Committee has called off the General Body meeting scheduled by it on 7th May to discuss removal of its President Mr. Vikas Singh and the proposed resolution to condemn the non-elevation of Justice K. M. Joseph. Rape accused out on bail rapes another 3-year-old in Rajasthan. A man who was given bail in a case related to a 10-year-old girl's rape in 2017 has been arrested by Rajasthan police for allegedly raping a 3-year-old girl in Gandhinagar. The victim's father has alleged that locals found the girl after hearing of her cries and also caught the accused sexually assaulting her. Maharashtra ex-deputy CM gets bail in money laundering case after 2 years. The Bombay High Court has granted bail to former Maharashtra deputy CM Chhagan Bhujbal, who was arrested in March 2016 in a 857 crore money laundering case. The 71-year-old had moved to High Court in 2017 after the Supreme Court scrapped a provision in the Anti-Money Laundering Act which mandated that the public prosecutor is given an opportunity to oppose bill play. GST Council approves making GST network a government body. The GST Council on Friday approved a proposal to make the GST network a government body. Kairana Bypole, Uttar Pradesh police confiscated illegal liquor worth 7 lakh, arrested one. The Uttar Pradesh police said on Saturday it has arrested a man and seized illicit liquor worth rupees 7 lakh from his truck in Kairana town in Samali district. The vehicle was intercepted at the checkpost in the town last evening, the circle officer Rajesh Tiwari said, adding that the liquor was hidden inside fruit carrots. I killed officer as she didn't take bribe. Kasoli Hoteler. The Kasoli Hoteler accused of killing an officer has confessed to the crime, saying he killed her because she refused to take bribe. Would not back BJP Congress in hung Karnataka Assembly. Ex-PM Devgowda. The former Prime Minister and JD's chief H.D. Devgowda has said that he would not support BJP or Congress in case there is a hung assembly in Karnataka. PM Modi announces 2 lakh for kin of dust storms victims. PM Modi on Friday announced a compensation of 2 lakh for the kin of those who lost their lives in the dust storms in various parts of the country. Facebook considering ad-free subscription option report. Facebook has reportedly been conducting market research to determine whether an ad-free subscription option would convince people to sign up for the social media platform. The plans are not solid and may not go forward, reports claim. US Navy veteran who murdered Indian techie sentenced to life. A US Navy veteran has been sentenced to life imprisonment for killing Indian engineer Srinivas Kuchibhotla in a hate crime at a Kansas City bar in February last year. The veteran has also been sentenced to 165 months of imprisonment each for the attempted murder of two others. Breach of faith by ministry. President Office on National Award. The Rashtrapati Bhavan has called the IB ministry handling of the National Film Awards a breach of faith, aiding the controversy demanded the office of the president. An official said that imprison created was that it was a last-minute decision taken by the office of the president, though the ministry was aware of president's availability since early April. National gold medalist boxer among 5 arrested. A junior national gold medalist boxer, along with his 4 accomplices, was arrested by Rohtak police on Friday for murder of 23-year-old law student Virender Singh on Wednesday night. Karnataka man held for molesting UK citizen at Mumbai airport. A 28-year-old man from Karnataka has been arrested for allegedly molesting a 32-year-old UK citizen standing in a queue at the Mumbai airport, police said. Jharkhand. 14 people arrested for raping, burning 16-year-old girl to death. Police arrested 14 people on Saturday in connection with the alleged gang rape and murder of 16-year-old girl in Jharkhand's Chhatra. Internet suspended in Aligarh amid AMU Jinnah portrait row. Internet service in Uttar Pradesh, Aligarh have been suspended till Saturday midnight amid protest over the display of Pakistan founding father Muhammad Ali Jinnah's portrait at Aligarh Muslim University. District Magistrate C.B. Singh said the action was taken to prevent provocative messages from being circulated online. Over 40 students were injured in violent clashes at the university. Judge who sentenced Asharam to life till death transferred. Special SC/ST Court Judge Madhusudan Sharma has been transferred days after he convicted self-styled godman Asharam Bapu on rape charges and sentenced him to life imprisonment until death. Sharma has been posted as a joint secretary at the Law and Legal Affairs Department in Jaipur. He had delivered the verdict at a court built inside the Jodhpur Central Jail. SC allows terminating pregnancy of 14-year-old rape victim. The Madras High Court had allowed abortion of 18-week fetus of a 14-year-old girl who was raped 5 months ago. During the hearing, a doctor advised that the pregnancy be terminated as adolescent pregnancies are vulnerable to higher risk of complications like anemia and infection. The court's verdict came after the victim and her mother agreed for termination of pregnancy. This much for today, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel for more legal updates. Thank you.